Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technology Glance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can set a daily time limit on Instagram.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Glance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your Instagram account. After that, tap on your profile icon. Select the hamburger menu at the right corner of your device. Now, tap on the Your Activity option. Select Time Spent. You will see a Set Daily Limit option. Tap on it and select the amount of time you want to set a limit to. After that, tap on Turn On. And that's it. You've just set a limit to your Instagram uses.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.